Lord Sordel, a command I bring from the worthy count, that pleasing provincial of valiant worth, who'd sing this question, if it please your seeing, which would be more to your liking, and seem to you more noble bearing, that your lady should know your heart, how you love her so, or that you should know hers and know if she loves you or you're deceived in show. Choose as your own guidance knowing, for I know well which you'd undergo if none reproved you in your going. Montanhagol by 100-fold, it would please me more, I hold, that she for whom I die living cold should know well, wherever she be bold, my heart which she keeps in torment's fold, and that I should know hers as gold. For if truth showed her how I am tormented by her, pity would be presented to her, or all her heart would be cemented, hard as stone, cold as ice is cold, until mercy there had entered. Sordel, it is better verily to know the heart and the will entirely of her you love so faithfully, if she loves you or deceives you slyly. For often beneath a fair face openly, great falsity lies hidden by. And if you find yourself betrayed, you'll seem too much like one astrayed, if then you love unloved and disobeyed, and follow after folly's tally. For once a man has seen his foolish trade, he's a fool if he chastens not his Sally. Montanhagol, I do not take from her any deceiving stake, whom I love and serve for loyalty's sake, though it please her that death me take. Wherefore my fine heart which I make her gift, I wish she know for her sake, for lightly shall be to joy converted the grief wherewith I am disquieted. Once her worthy heart shall be alerted, how I languish night and day, and how in her to whom I'm given is set my death and my life's way. Sordel, I hold it for lack of sense, who in another's choosing's fence puts his fate one straight way hence. By himself he could do so in his defense. Wherefore I hold it more valiant, intense, that you should know the way and whence of the heart and all its thoughts array, of the fair one of whom you sing and pray, than if she knows how you plan to betray and deceive her, if she trusts your pretense, if she is such as your praises say. She'll be mad if in you she puts credence. Since I made a gift of my own self free, Montanhagol, frankly you see, to her who holds me without stripes plea, I was never in my own mastery, but I have been languishing faithfully in her lordship's sovereignty. Wherefore, if well were certified, her heart, by which mine is heavy-eyed, lightly would be crowned in pride, with the joy that henceforth should rightly be come, of which I'm utterly dried, of envy and of enmity. Sordel, the worthy count, so praised, in whom fine wisdom's choice is raised. The Provençal, let him judge, if it pleased, this our parliament's divided way. For I believe no man alive nor deceased could better judge the play. Since my lord is widely lauded, little fearing and much dreaded by those to whom he is hated, Montanhagol, let it be awarded, let the judgment be to him granted. Wrong or right, whatever be stated.